Hello guys, welcome back on my channel of Jobs with Education. In this video, I have a big news for you guys. Google is providing almost 126 free certifications for you. It doesn't depend if you are a technical or non-technical. Google is providing a lot of certifications from all of you guys. This is a best chance for you to learn new skills and go for their new careers. In this video, I will properly explain that how you can enroll in this certificate. If you are a Google user, so it's best for you to enroll easily. If you are not on the Google, so first you should create your account on that. So I will properly guide you. You just watch my video properly. So I will properly illustrate with the proper steps. Before we go, I request you, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe it and click on bell icon, so you will see my latest and informative videos on my channel. So let's go. So firstly, here you can see that learn digital with google.com. I have already opened this website from Google, so you just write on the Google. Let me show you. You just write it, Google free courses. Here you see I already opened it. This is a learn digital with google.com. I have just opened this website. So you just click on that and go to the online courses section. So you will see that there are a lot of courses available. 126 courses is technical or non-technical both, and depend upon categories, like you can see data and technology, digital marketing, career development, and it also depend upon the course length. If you want to do a course of like 2 and more hours, so you can just click on that, 2 and 10 hours or under 2 hours. If you have a short time, so you can just done the course in a short time. You can see that there is certifications of free certifications and course difficulty. If you are a beginner, like if for example if you are a technical person and you want to learn digital marketing, so you are a beginner in that field, so you can just click on the beginner section. It has a combinations of lot of courses and depend upon the time criteria. And you can see that course provider, there are a lot of companies and a lot of online websites are linked with that Google, and they are providing services to Google, and they list a lot of course on that website. You can see Google Applied Digital Skills, Coursera, Udemy, Goodwill Company Foundation, Grasshopper. There are a lot of companies are collaborating with Google, and they are listed free courses for you guys, so you can learn and register yourself on Google. For example, if you have account on the Google, so it's better for you. And if you have not user on the Google account, so you can just mention in the Google sign up. Like, let me show you Google sign up. You can write on that and create your Google account on that first. I have already my account, so that's why I don't need to make another account. Like you can see that create your Google account. You can just mention your names, your like password and your date of birth. So it will ask you confirmation email as well. So it will create your account. So it's best for you to access your online courses with your Google account. So here let me show you. For example, I want to like select any course, build confidence with self promotion. This is a course duration of 1 hour and module is 1. I want to show you that how I can register with that. Let me click on that. Here is browsing, and then after I can show you that how I enroll in that. There you can see build confidence with self promotion, and they have mentioned the description. It's depend upon your field of interest as well. For example, if you want to do a technical course, you can do a programming and like database as well, or there are a lot of courses available like Oracle as well. Like you can see about this course, they have mentioned the description and module 1, course hours 1, beginner level and free is free or totally free, and video tutorial they have mentioned that. You can just click on the start free course. You can just click on that, it will loading, and after it will show you the modules added to my learning plan. It added to my Google Pen as well because I already log into this account. And you can see course progress 0% because I haven't seen any video or start my progress. Like, let me start it. I click on the start button. 3 lessons and 17 minutes. Now it started, and I want to start learning. And you can see there are a lot of modules available and lot of like their functionality. Introduction to self promotion, this is the first lecture, and watch the lesson and check your knowledge. They have a quiz and assignments after that. And explore what makes you stand out and how to practice self promotion. There are a lot of lectures and assignments as well, you can see that. After that, if you have not prepared for the quiz, so you can just skip the quiz and let's move toward another lectures as well. I hope you like this video because this is helpful for you guys to learn and improve your skills. That's it from my side. Thank you very much.